Understanding, in a sorry condition. Enhance your English skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, in a sorry condition. This phrase can really spice up your English conversations and writing, making your language skills more expressive and vivid. So, let's get started and uncover what it means and how you can use it effectively. In a sorry condition refers to a state of being in poor, deteriorated, or unfavorable conditions. It's often used to describe objects, places, or even situations that have seen better days. Whether it's an old car that's no longer running smoothly, a neglected building showing signs of wear and tear, or a person feeling unwell, this phrase paints a picture of decline and the need for care or repair. To fully grasp the phrase's meaning, let's look at some examples. Objects. After years of neglect, the family heirloom was in a sorry condition, barely recognizable. Places. The park was in a sorry condition after the storm, with fallen trees and debris scattered everywhere. Situations. After the misunderstanding, their relationship was in a sorry condition, in desperate need of mending. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applying to physical objects, locations, and even abstract situations. Incorporating "in a sorry condition" into your conversations can add depth to your descriptions. Here's how you can do it. Describing physical state. When talking about something that's physically damaged or deteriorated, you can say it's in a sorry condition to emphasize the extent of its decline. Discussing emotional or relational issues. Use the phrase to describe situations or relationships that are struggling or facing challenges. Creative writing. This phrase is excellent for storytelling, adding a layer of emotion or setting a scene that requires restoration or healing. And there you have it. You now know how to use "in a sorry condition" to express the idea of something being in a poor or undesirable state. It's a great way to enrich your English vocabulary and make your descriptions more vivid and impactful. We hope you found this video helpful and that you'll start using this phrase in your conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.